Metamorphosis, nature's incredible transformation. Trick, did you know that the animal kingdom is full of magical transformers? It's true. While we humans pretty much keep the same body our whole lives, except for those awkward teenage years, a whopping 80% of animal species out there are secret shapeshifters. This mind-blowing process is called metamorphosis, and it's not just a cool party trick. It's a brilliant solution to some of life's biggest challenges. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of animal transformations. The Mayfly's extreme makeover. Imagine being born as a tiny eating machine, spending months underwater just stuffing your face and growing to 30 times your original size. That's the life of a young Mayfly. But then, boom, everything changes. Suddenly, it's time to find a mate and pass on those genes. So what does our little friend do? It gets a whole new body. The adult Mayfly emerges as a flying, love-seeking missile. It doesn't even have a working digestive system anymore. Its only mission is to find a partner and make babies before its short adult life, often just 24 hours, is over. Talk about living life in the fast lane. The ocean's hidden transformers. The Mayfly isn't alone in its shape-shifting ways. The oceans are teeming with secret transformers. Take the humble starfish, for example. As a baby, it's a tiny drifter, exploring the vast seas. But when it's ready to settle down, it transforms into the star-shaped creature we all know and love. This pattern is incredibly common in ocean invertebrates. It's like they get to live two completely different lives. 1. The adventurous youth, a far-ranging larva built for dispersal and exploration. 2. The settled adult, a less mobile form specialized for putting down roots and reproducing. But wait, there's more. Let's look at some other amazing metamorphosis examples. 1. Frogs. From egg to tadpole to frog, these amphibians undergo a dramatic transformation, switching from an aquatic to a terrestrial lifestyle. 2. Butterflies and moths. These insects are the poster children for metamorphosis, transforming from caterpillars to winged beauties. 3. Sea urchins. Their larvae look nothing like the spiky balls we recognize as adults. 4. Jellyfish. Some species have a fascinating life cycle involving both free swimming and stationary polyp stages. Why bother with all this shape-shifting? Metamorphosis might seem like a lot of trouble, but it comes with some serious perks. 1. Specialization. Animals can have bodies perfectly adapted for different life stages. 2. Dispersal. Larval forms often help species spread to new areas. 3. Reduced competition. Young and adult forms can eat different foods, avoiding competition within the species. 4. Resource exploitation. Different body types can take advantage of various environmental niches. The downsides of the quick change act. Of course, metamorphosis isn't all fun and games. There are some drawbacks. 1. Energy intensive. Transforming your entire body takes a lot of fuel. 2. Risky business. The transformation process leaves animals vulnerable to predators and other dangers. 3. Timing is everything. Environmental cues need to be just right to trigger metamorphosis. 4. Genetic complexity. Programming multiple body types into one set of genes is no easy feat. Why don't all animals do it? Given the benefits, you might wonder why every animal doesn't go through metamorphosis. Here are a few reasons. 1. Parental care. Animals that look after their young, like us, can help them survive even if their bodies aren't perfectly adapted. 2. Big brains. Creatures with higher intelligence, hello again, humans, can problem solve their way through different life stages without needing a new body. 3. Evolutionary history. Metamorphosis is believed to have evolved only a few times, and some lineages simply never developed the ability. The human perspective. We humans are part of the minority that doesn't undergo dramatic metamorphosis. Our big brains and tendency to care for our young have allowed us to thrive without needing to swap bodies. But imagine if we could. What if teenagers really did turn into different creatures? Or if we could sprout wings when we needed to travel? While it might sound cool, our inability to metamorphose has pushed us to develop incredible technologies and problem-solving skills. The next time you see a butterfly, remember, it reminds us that change, even dramatic change, can be a powerful tool for survival and success. So the next time you're facing a big life change, take inspiration from these amazing animal transformers. Sometimes a whole new you is exactly what you need to tackle life's challenge. You're facing a big life change. Take inspiration from these amazing animal transformers. Sometimes a whole new you is exactly what you need to tackle life's challenges.